Hello, my name is Bartolo Joaquin, and joining us would be Miss Ysabel Abreu.
Hi, good morning.
What sparked the idea for Hike the Heights?
Hike the Heights was born as an idea of finding solutions to community issues that many committed individuals and organizations and stakeholders were noticing and experiencing in obesity, chronic illnesses, right? Sedentary lifestyles, and violence and also displacement, gentrification that were present in that like these are none of these issues are like have a simple answer, but this is always good to start somewhere, and that somewhere to start is usually great when it's like from the ground, grassroots, right? And from the community, from inside the community. And so it was born, it was originated as an initiative to work on those issues by building this grassroots kind of like community coalition building and taking action. And this action involved getting people in the community to uh, know and use their parks and open spaces as elements that could be helpful towards public health.
How can you list some examples that you've seen where it's impacted someone and changed their life, or at least changed them?
These years of labor from when this movement, grassroots initiative, was conceived, some of those parks that have always been at the core, at the heart of this movement, sunken playground, which the community calls the pit. When you walk by this park today, it looks very different from the way it looked in 2019. People are using these parks now more because they're more inviting and because they have now equipment that people can use to exercise and stay healthier, right? So that's one long-term gain that has been achieved through Hike the Heights. But at the personal level, we have raised awareness for so many people that they don't have to pay a fee to go to a gym, and that they don't have to overthink about, well, what can I do to stay healthier? Now, a lot of people through the years have recognized and realized that they have this beautiful trail that they can use to walk and stay healthier.
All right. So the basic thing is that like it's an impact where like the parks are being renovated and it's changing people's lives as they're able to just exercise freely in these open spaces, correct?
Yes,
All
yes.
right.
And
So,
and one of the yesterday, Coach Dave Tabitha and I walked by. I don't know if you have climbed those very steep steps by the water tower, the high bridge. Is that right there was broken and disconnected. And through this advocacy, the Climb Hike the Heights family um, was part of that coalition that fought to get that repair done. And repairing that bridge and reopening that path is symbolic of that we kind of like hike for, which is healthier communities, safer communities, um, ownership of those beautiful parks and open spaces, right? And for more community connection, the more we are a real community, the healthier we are and the stronger we are.
where do you see Hike the Heights in 5 years?
I see Hike the Heights growing. In 5 years, I see us thinking, oh my God, how are we going to manage, you know, such a big project? But that in general is going to get more New Yorkers and more people in the country, in the world, hiking, walking, biking on trails, making them safer, and loving them and owning them, because in the end what we want is for people to own and love these spaces and use them to stay healthier and more connected as communities.
Well, thank you for coming on. Thank you very much for talking about this organization of Hike the Heights and how much of an impact it's and how much potential it has to change the community for the better. So thank you for coming on and joining
Thank
us.
you. Thank you so much.